Hi everyone, I am Dr. Bhanumati, pediatrician, and this is my husband, Mr. Jayaraman. He is working in Abu Dhabi in oil and gas sector. And our son Nimalan, who is 6 years old now, has been diagnosed for autism spectrum disorder at the age of 2 years. After that, we have assessed him through various psychologists, and we have started giving him home programs as we were in abroad. And when he was 3, we came back to India and started his regular occupational therapy, speech therapy and special education. Now he is undergoing occupational therapy 1 session per day for 5 days, and special education and speech therapy 2 to 3 sessions per week. He goes to regular school and in UKG now. We were surprised to know that neurofeedback therapy is available in India, that too in Chennai through MedAmind, even though we know more about neurofeedback earlier. We have started neurofeedback therapy for our son in January 2013. We could observe coherent stimulation in Nimalan's improvement with his positive results briefly after brain function therapy. We kicked off initial 10 days intensive therapy, wherein we had to make Nimalan undergo morning and evening sessions for 10 days. These sessions also include gut therapy. Within first 2 days of brain function therapy, I could observe a great improvement in his sleep pattern. And with the middle of the session, I could see there is a good improvement in his eye contact.
I used to make trips from Abu Dhabi for every 3 weeks. Briefly after starting this intensive therapy, on 7th day I could observe his hyperactivity level has come down. His self-talk has tremendously reduced. He used to hop around the house and public places, but that has dramatically reduced. And I could observe his clarity in speech.
After the intensive sessions, the occupational therapist, the speech therapist and the special educator could observe a lot of positive changes in Nimalan's response. In school also we got a good response that his hyperactivity level is reduced, his observation is increased and his eye contact is also increased. Through the videos from the school, we could see his ability to mingle with the peer group is also quietly increased.
We have to observe kids in micro level. Usually parents, especially fathers, they think a miracle will happen in the BFT, like intensive or during the course, but it seems to be a little illogical. We have to observe kids in micro level. I observe a lot of micro level changes or achievements in Nimal's day-to-day life, like face wash, right away getting away from the bed, and his habit of taking bath, habit of brushing, habit of dressing himself. It has improved a lot, and his sense of balance and sense of motion, this and all things we could observe from his skating and bicycling. This is all tremendously increased. This all happened right after brain function therapies. Even though we take other therapies, this has given him a positive stimulation in his senses. So a lot of good things happened in his sensory integration. We observe every day a lot of sensory related issues are getting better, and he needs nowadays a minimal attention in public areas. Like we no more hold his hands when we visit temples or when we go to airport, like standing in the queues. He could manage himself, and this gives a lot of relief to the parents. So this are all, I could say, positive things from the brain function therapies. He's nowadays in the real world than his own imaginary world.
We have observed that Nimalan's sensory issues has completely gone. Actually, it has improved in many fonts. Actually, he has a habit of pinching my hand for his sensory seeking. That has completely disappeared and didn't come back still now. It's a quite good thing we feel. And his auditory and visual attention and responses also has been improved. This was the observation from his occupational therapist. And the therapist, in fact, she could say that I could see a different Nimalan in these 3 months. The CEO and Chief Mentor of MetaMind, Mr. Srinivasan, is highly competent in the brain function therapy field, and he is highly patient in explaining the procedure and short and long outcome of the procedures.
Senior programmer Mr. Shaktishwar Kumar is a very practical and easygoing person with such kids and parents, and he gives a lot of support during the session. Also the staff and others are highly trained, which we can observe during the therapy sessions. So with the positive intervention BFT from MetaMind and other therapies, we think we can say solidly that we can reunite together very soon. Thank you.